How many buy-to-lets would you need in Wigan to make the average wage in the UK? According to the lizards from the Office for National Statistics, the average wage in the UK is £2,334. A recent Zoopla report stated that the average rent in Wigan is £752, with the average buy-to-let purchase price being just under £130,000. So let's work back with these numbers. Our 25% deposit pot is £32,414, and our mortgage amount is £97,242. So we need to work out our monthly costs to know our profit. The biggest cost is going to be our mortgage. At the moment, I think it's safe to assume an interest rate of 5%. Could be lower, could be higher depending on your situation, which means our mortgage payments would be £405 on an interest-only mortgage. Now, if you want to see me break down why we buy with interest-only mortgages, make sure you drop me a follow. Other costs, we have a letting agency at 12%, maintenance of voids at 20%, and insurance is around 30 quid per property. We have to take all of these costs off our rent, leaving us with a monthly profit of £76, meaning we would need 30.7 buy-to-lets in Wigan to replace the average wage in the UK.